Hello, and welcome to the PTE academic section for listening. In this text, we'll be going over how to summarize a spoken text. The contents of this presentation include summarizing a spoken text, the test instructions, scoring, and some tips to excel. Now, to summarize a spoken text, what we're looking for is that you will hear a recording on an academic topic, you will listen, and then you will type a response in a text box. It's an integrated question type where we're looking for your listening and writing skills. You'll need to present proper grammatical sentences with good punctuation, as well as staying on point with the content of the prompt. Now, the instruction that you will receive will be this. You will hear a short lecture. Write a summary for your fellow student who is not present at the lecture. You should write 50 to 70 words. You will have 10 minutes to finish this task. Your response will be judged on the quality of your writing and on how well your response presents the key points presented in the lecture. The scoring will be based on partial credit. You will be evaluated based on the content, meaning how closely you are to what was actually spoken, whether or not you are able to remain within 50 to 70 words. You will also need to have good grammar. Also, you will have to have a wide lexical resource, meaning that you use a variety of vocabulary and not repeating yourself, as well as keeping good spelling and punctuation. Some tips include, at least for the listening portion, you should keep in mind what are the main ideas and the key words. You should be taking quick notes, and of those notes, you do not need to write down verbatim what was said. Write down the key words as well as the general idea of what is going on. Use abbreviations where applicable, and also forget the articles unless they are important. You should understand the concrete and abstract information. Also, keep a note of the speaker's attitude and tone. For the writing, you should plan your summary in a logical way. Have an introduction, the examples and details, and then a conclusion. You should summarize in your own words and include all of the main ideas presented. Double check and make sure you're using proper grammatical sentences. And of course, check your spelling and the number of words, keeping in mind that you should be between 50 to 70 words. That's all we have for this lecture, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you for choosing PTE Tutorials again, and we'll see you next time.